भाभी जी, न्यू रिंग, क्या बात है।
ये तो सिर्फ रिंग है, अगले महीने एनिवर्सरी पे पूरा सेट खरीदने का इरादा है।
यार, व्हाट्स द सीक्रेट? मार्केट कंडीशंस आर सो बैड एंड हाउ कैन यू मैनेज टू स्पेंड सो मच ऑन ज्वेलरी?
यही तो सीक्रेट है। इस टाइम में जहां हर चीज का भाव गिर रहा है, डायमंड और गोल्ड ही ऐसी चीज है जिसका भाव बढ़ा है। याद है 3 साल पहले हमारी एनिवर्सरी पे जो रिंग ली थी?
ओह या, इट लुक्स एज गुड एज न्यू। 3 साल में डबल द वैल्यू, और कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट इतना रिटर्न नहीं देता आज की डेट में।
यार, वो कैसे?
Diamond prices have been increasing for the past 20 years. Market चाहे जैसा भी हो, market may change in the future, but diamonds are forever.
But are you sure? As other assets changes values overnight?
कोई कह नहीं सकता कि मार्केट किस तरफ जाएगा, किसका भाव बढ़ेगा और किसका गिरेगा। I don't say that diamond should be the only investment, पर ये इन्वेस्टमेंट का एक बड़ा पार्ट हो सकता है। After all, there is nothing more precious than a diamond.
That's so true. और यकीन मानिए, आपकी वाइफ आपसे इतनी खुश रहेगी कि जितनी पहले कभी नहीं रही हो। And as you keep investing more and more, her happiness will also keep increasing.
अरे वाह, ये काम तो मेरे शेयर्स कभी नहीं कर सकते। पर ये रिसेशन?
The growing fear of recession has forced many industries to shut down. A good diamond will increase in its value. There was a recent report which showed that while the purchase of other jewelry items have decreased slightly, diamond jewelry sales continue to increase. Of course, there are several reasons for this trend.
Diamonds are a good investment. The price of larger diamonds continue to rise even when other investments may go down. This is due to the steady demand for diamonds. To mark special occasions, diamonds were used most often in engagement, wedding, anniversary rings, and other wedding jewelry. But nowadays, whether it's a job promotion or love at first sight, a diamond says it better.
I got this ring for 7.5 lakhs, and trust me, I've got so many compliments for it. And today, to my surprise, the price of this ring has gone up from 7.5 to 11 lakhs just in 2 years. Isn't that amazing?
The diamond was regarded as a status symbol of the rich. Wealthy people often purchase big solitaires. Financial implications such as recession don't affect these purchases. Surprisingly, in India, the middle class also has taken a fancy to diamonds and diamond jewelry. While the size may vary, 7 out of 10 couples all over the country still choose to buy a diamond solitaire ring for their weddings. Not a bad investment this. Appreciation as well as adornment.
You know what? My dad is great. On my every birthday, he buys me a diamond. Now, whether it's for investment or for some other reason, I'm very happy getting diamonds because I just love them.
The way a diamond is cut also influences the value. A well-cut diamond with the right faceting structure creates a certain brilliance that makes a diamond sparkle. So beyond the VVS and the GH, there is much more to know.
Why don't you take your business abroad? It has a really good chance.
Even I thought about it, भाभी। But अपना कैपिटल लिक्विड करना सबसे टफ काम होगा।
Your solution is again diamonds. It's very easy to convert your assets into diamonds.
Even the bank does not regulate diamonds, so your investment is protected from bankruptcy or even changes in the market. क्योंकि डायमंड का मार्केट इंटरनेशनल है, किसी एक कंट्री के मार्केट से डायमंड प्राइसेस पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. Your investment papers may be ruined, your property may be encroached, but diamonds are forever.
हाँ यार, ये तो दूसरे इन्वेस्टमेंट के जैसा कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है. रियल एस्टेट खरीदा है तो उसकी सिक्योरिटी और मेंटेनेंस, शेयर्स का प्राइस चेक करते रहो. लेकिन ये तो बिल्कुल टेंशन फ्री इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा.
Diamond solitaires should be insured just like other expensive items. Always get a recognized lab certificate for your larger diamonds. The certificate or the diamond grading report is a document that is made by a third party, not the jeweler, mind you. This illustrates the 4 C's that determine quality and price. It's the identity proof of the stone that you own, and this allows you to be able to assess its worth anytime in the future in any part of the world. IGI, GIA, EGL. These are some of the recognized labs that do diamond certification.
This is the best anniversary gift which he has ever given me. Thank you so much, darling.
you.